If lipsticks look different on your brown skin, then this video is for you. Today I'll be sharing my most flattering lip combos, especially for brown skin. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel The Glow Edit by Arya. In today's video, I'll be sharing my most favorite and used lip combos for brown skin, and these includes all my nudes, pink, lip glosses and bold lip combo too, and it looks so premium and classy with affordable prices. So let's begin to the video. If you are looking for a true nude that actually suits brown skin, this combo is a must try. I'm starting with Swiss Beauty Lip Liner in Cherry Brown to outline my lips to add a warmth and definition, which is very important for nude shades on brown skin. Next, I'm using Swiss Beauty Non-Transfer Lipstick in Rusty Nude. It's a balanced nude brown that doesn't look grey or pale on the lips, and this shade complements medium to deep skin so well. This combo looks clean and natural, and it is perfect for your daily wear, office, or whenever you want a no effort nude makeup look. If you like very natural or your lips but better kind of shades, this combo is perfect for you. I am again using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in Cherry Brown. In this video, you will notice that I'll be using the same lip liner with many of the lip combos because it's extremely versatile and works beautifully with nude, brown and pink lipsticks, and it really helps to prevent the washed out look. Then I'm filling it with Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in Almond Pink. It gives a soft nude base. On brown skin, this shade looks like a soft nude pink. It's very natural and gives that MLBB kind of finish. Now I'm finishing with the Mars Lip Gloss in Caramel Crunch. It adds a warmth and shine without changing the color, and this combo looks very natural, glossy and polished, perfect for your daily wear, college, office or no makeup days. If you like slightly bold shades but still want something wearable, this combo looks so beautiful on brown skin. I'm outlining my lips using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in maroon. It defines my lips beautifully, and this liner will add a depth and gives a shape to my lips. Maroon lip liners go best with pinks, browns, berries and rose nude shades. Next, I am applying the Inside Cosmetics Lip Crayon in the shade Sunset Kiss in the center. This shade has a beautiful rosy tone that looks flattering on brown skin. This lip combo looks richer but not too loud, and it is perfect for festive wear, functions and evening outings or even dinner dates. This is an easy everyday brown shade that doesn't look too dark or heavy on the lips. I'm using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in Cherry Brown to softly define and slightly fill my lips. On top, I am filling it with the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Lemon Made Easy. This combo looks like a neutral nude brown on brown skin. It's not too warm and not too pink. It doesn't turn out grey or pale and looks very balanced in real. If you love clean everyday nude lips that works for everyday wear, this combo is perfect. If you love bold statement lip combo, this one is for you. I'm outlining my lips using Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Maroon. It defines my lips beautifully. Next, I am filling it with the Mars Non-Drying Mousse Liquid Lipstick in the shade Party Fever. It's a rich, bold shade that really stands out on brown skin. The mousse texture feels so lightweight and comfortable even though it's a bold color. This is not an everyday nude, it's more of a statement lip and it is perfect for parties, functions, dinner dates or whenever you want your lips to be the focus. This is a classy deep rosy brown shade that looks rich and elegant on brown skin. I'm outlining my lips using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade maroon to add a definition and depth to my lips. Now I'm filling it with the Swiss Beauty HD matte lipstick in the shade Brandy Harrington. This combo looks like a deep nude brown with a slightly wine undertone. It's perfect if you don't like light nudes or pink shades and it's very flattering on brown skin. This rosy brown shade is perfect for your everyday wear, festive occasions, evening outings and any special events. Also you can pair it up with any of your makeup look. This one is optional. Here I have added Maybelline Vinyl Ink Lip Gloss in the shade Irresistible on top of the same lip combo. It instantly makes my lips look fuller, glossy and more polished. It enhances the color, adds shine and makes the lips pop beautifully. But if you don't want any gloss, you can wear it as it is and it looks so beautiful and flattering on brown skin. If you love minimal makeup, you will love this lip combo. For this combo, I am using the Swiss Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Lust On, which is a beautiful soft pinky nude shade. It has a matte finish but is not drying and it sits nicely on brown skin, giving a clean and polished look. On top of that, I have added the Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Petal. This gloss adds a soft, healthy shine and makes my lips look fuller without changing the color of the lipstick. And this lip combo creates a very natural, fresh and wearable lip look. It's perfect for daytime, casual outings or even office. This is a glossy deep ruby red shade that looks bold and classy on brown skin. I'm using the Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade maroon to define my lips and add that depth and shape. Next, I'm filling it with the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Rich Ruby. It's a deep bold red with warm undertones that looks incredibly flattering on brown skin. To finish it off, I have added a layer of Inside Cosmetics Clear Gloss. It gives my lips a soft shine and makes them appear fuller and more polished. If you prefer a classic matte look, you can skip the gloss and the shade still looks bold and classy. This combo is perfect for festive occasions, evening day outs, parties or any time you want your lips to be the focus. If you enjoyed watching this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.